Hmm. For today's vlog, I'm going to supermarket that I'm walking in this very hot world. Very hot. Huh? It's so hot. It's very hot. Sunny day. Oh my God. I'm walking to buy a yogurt here in supermarket. It's very near. You can walk. But the problem is very hot. You know? We don't have driver to we don't have driver to drive me to the supermarket. So I'm just walking. I just see. You see the place? Oh my God! It's a dessert from here. There. It's a dessert. Oh, what is this one? What's what? Huh? Very hot. It's it's hot. Oh my God! There's too much bird there. I will go there. First, I will go to the bird. Then after, I will go to the supermarket because it's very cold. It's very, it's very hot. I, I will not show my face because it's too hot. But I'm wearing this one, hijab. That's to protect my face from sunlight. It's nice to walk, but the problem is too hot. You see the hot? You see? There's a lot of birds there. I will go there. I will go to the birds. This one is the supermarket. This one is the supermarket. The small supermarket. The small supermarket. But I want to go to the bird first. Ah! Oh look! Ah! Wait for me. I will go to the bird. Gusto makita yung bird. Ayun o. Punta tayo sa bird. I want to go to the bird. Ayun o. You see the bird? Nagliparan sila. See? Too much bird. Nagliparan na. Now I will go here and supermarket to buy yogurt. Ang init. I want to go supermarket. Kita mo? Bibili tayo ng I will buy a room where I will bili kami.
Nag-ano lang naman kami yun. Kasama lang kami noon. Nag-ano lang kami.
This one. I will buy this. But what is? How much this one? Or I will buy how many? I will buy two. How much this one? What I will buy? Okay, I will stop now first here. Waiting.